Majita namaHotman Orlando Pirates is-smart sezikhona sezi-signed i-replacements zikaMbekezeli Mbokazi, Relebohile Mofokeng, Ozwina Police. Kule video zoncokola ngoMpho Phadime, Christian Derbyshire plus noLyle Chadburn. uMbekezeli Mbokazi seyiconfirmed yakwi-Chicago Fire USA. Ozwina Police noRelebohile Mofokeng bangahamba anytime. Singalibali support channel bafethu, ushaye like okanye if eqala udibana channel ungalahli ngophosa uzwezi grand, ushaye subscribe. Sileqa u20,000 subscribers bafethu. Mocho. Orlando Pirates seyinazo replacements seyisayiniwe already for lamajita. I-technical director ne-scouts Orlando Pirates zismart and yonke le bezenzayo iyaspana, iyapasa, imali yabo yathenga eshop. Orlando Pirates yazi mos yayivala academy. Orlando Pirates i-development sides zitools Orlando Pirates. I-team edlala ku-ABC Motepe, iPelepele FC plus ne-team edlala ku-DDC DStv Disc Challenge. Zizoqha i-development teams Orlando Pirates enazo. Orlando Pirates i-players is signer for eza team xa i-development level. Mofokeng wasayina for i-DDC esuka kwi-School of Excellence. uMbekezeli Mbokazi wasayina for i-DDC esuka ilanga lebalele Academy KZN. Ezi players yi-3 ezi youngsters ngizothetha ngazo apha. Amajita nawo fika this season kwi-DDC. Oyi-1 seqalile ujima ne-senior team Orlando Pirates. And the same time Orlando Pirates iphezulu kilokho i-DDC. Ezi players zenza i-waves phakula team. A1 yazo seqalile ujima ne-first team Orlando Pirates. So Mbokazi uyahamba ke-Chicago Fire. Number 1 i-replacement kaMbokazi Orlando Pirates seyipheka already, seyikhukha. Christian Derbyshire, center back Orlando Pirates ibisayine for this season so ki-Panorama FC eJohannesburg. Complete youngster, i-leader, imnandi enyaweni, inayo physical strength, inayo i-height, inayo mentality, i-well coached, i-humble and ilambile. Orlando Pirates senior team sesikhona i-center backs ezine-experience ezongena kula position kaMbokazi, but le way ihamba nge-strategy ne-finances. Zwakala ndokuxelela batheni Orlando Pirates izawuinvesta more, ifake more attention, izawuconcentrate ifocus more ku-Derbyshire, uThabiso Sesane, Olisanda, nalabhoza yetalent uLebone Siyema. uDerbyshire Orlando Pirates izawufocusa kuye more. Let me tell you why. I-Pirates igqibothola i-success from lesi strategy ndithetha ngaso ngokuba usayina i-player for DDC ifike ku-first team. uMbokazi dlale 38 games wabe sevaya. uMahawu Nkotha wafika ku-DDC ki-first team wadlala 37 games ba 25 million move to Saudi Arabia. uMbokazi yena wenze 52 million move to USA ki-Chicago Fire. And that is why Orlando Pirates izawufocusa invest more ki-players fana no-Derbyshire as a replacement for uMbokazi. And kakade noba ungaya worldwide, i-team funeka kube i-players eziyi-3 ki-position. I-veteran plus ne-player ne-experience erede ki-prime yayo ki-20s, 23, 24, 25. Funeka kube nayo ne-teenager eza emva kwezi players ziyi-2, le-veteran plus ne-player ki-prime. Orlando Pirates ine-working proof yokuba i-player izawusuka i-DDC ifike i-first team ngoba ithole i-multi-million move overseas. The younger the player, the more likelihood uba i-player izothola i-move overseas. Lebone Siyema no-22 une-greater chance naye umjita. uSesane lesser chance because no-25. Unda 27 lesser chance. uXoki 30 years old lesser chance. So again i-player efana no-Christian Derbyshire Orlando Pirates izawufocusa, izawubona i-potential investment e-high phana and seyumtshana une-quality ne-high talent. Next two apha kule video ndithetha ngazo zili-potential replacements for Ozwina Police noRelebohile Mofokeng. If angiboni uMofokeng plus no-Ozwina Police bayamajita a-5 to 4 moves overseas aphuma phansi kwebhedi jo. Indaba yazo izi anytime sooner or later amajita. Orlando Pirates rejected 3 offers already for uMofokeng. And guess what intoni next? Ezi players i-2 Orlando Pirates, uMofokeng no-Ozwina Police amajita ayavaya ki-AFCON. And esiya ki-AFCON nje sewe-targeted amajita ze-scouts. After i-AFCON ngoJune amajita ayaphi aya ki-World Cup. I-moves ezi-outcome zizakwenzeka na-anytime. Potential replacement Orlando Pirates seyijima already ne-first team. nguMpho Phadime ona-18 kuthiwa nguPhopho. Shaye inet, skora i-goals, i-superstar DDC. Hence the reason why seyijima ne-first team. uMofokeng before enze i-debut yakhe ngo-2023 or May 2023 against i-Royal AM, uMofokeng uqala isizini okujima ne-first team. Ngeweekend adlala imatch ne-DDC ajime ne-first team. I-debut yakhe senior team Orlando Pirates wazothola xa kuphela isizini. Ki-last game yesizini ngoMay against i-Royal AM. uMofokeng ogowa ejima ephekwa the whole season ejimini, abantu bangazitholi ngayo, wathi gqi nge-final game. The rest was history. uMbokazi yena yakhe indaba kangagqibe nesizini ki-DDC. I-debut yakhe senior team Orlando Pirates wayenza ngoMarch against iChippa eGqeberha. 3 months before iphela isizini last term. Mpho Phadima eseyijima already ne-first team Orlando Pirates. If uyaqhubekeka ubonisa equality ne-improvement ejimini under uWadu, idebut yakhe first team izakwenzeka before the end of the season, or even sooner if uMofokeng uyahamba ngoJanuary after iAFCON. Mpho Phadima unazo technical skills, une-height egrand, uquick and inspired, and uyabeliever and uhungry. Ulambile and uyabeliever futhi, and uyabeliever baliwe ingenzeka because kuseyambona uMofokeng ingenzeke kanjani. U-inspired and motivated, uyayibona umjida liwe xa ilele ebusuku, uyayibona bayijonga first team Orlando Pirates uzayenza liwe bafana uzayidlalela ikhilo wesisitiqo londo. Ifana ezinye players adlala ki-DDC kwezinye team kuse umuntu uyaperforma grand superstar, but akaboni ezinye youngstars apha kule team ezike zapromotwa from i-DDC zakhe first team. Instead la player ine-dream ukuba kusema i-Orlando Pirates DDC ngoba yazi i-Orlando Pirates DDC ine-chances ukuba kusema umjida angene i-first team. Mpho Phadima, replacement for Mofokeng, watch the space. And then last player on the list, potential replacement for Ozwina-Police, uLyle Chatburn, i-winger usuka i-Best Academy Cape Town ngongoku, Ubuntu FC. Ubuntu FC producer i-players even for i-Stellenbosch FC. uLyle une-physical power and une-aggression, unayo technical quality, and udirect and une-aggression umjida, which is the key qualities ezo if uzoba i-forward Orlando Pirates. Anyway, great ngayo uLyle Chatburn oscore i-goal futhi kwi-debut yakhe DDC last weekend is there uChad different to Phadima, which is important etimini la way. Etimini afuneka ube ne-wingers ne-attackers edlala nge-similar style. If unayo player more technically creative kakhulu, kwenye side kunikube ne-player more direct and aggressive compared to le yakho, then ube ne-balance in attack. Same thing eyenzeka xa use-midfield. I-midfield xa une-midfielders eziyi-2 kunikube ne-midfielders ezi-different, like central defense, i-partnership kunikube ne-central defenders ezingadlali ngehlobo eliyi-1. So again Orlando Pirates yabonisa i-strategy ne-intelligence up. So watch the space. Lyle Chatburn, potential replacement for Ozwina-Police. So nazo bafethu 3 players Orlando Pirates selihlanganisa ngestrategy ezizoba zi-potential replacements for uMbekezeli Mbokazi, Ozwina-Police noRelebohile Mofokeng. Nicinga noni bafethu? Masincola lapha i-comments. Cela ningalibali usupport i-channel bafethu, ushaye ulike okanye if eqala udibane ne-channel ungalahle ngaphosozi wezigrand, ushaye subscribe. Sileqa u-20,000 subscribers ngoku. Watch bafethu.